3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2, 5.
No.
6.
Good.
2 times
No,
3.
3.
3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 5, 14, 15.
Okay.
2,
3 times 6.
16, 17, 18.
Oh, 3 times 4 is equal to... Yung last answer mo is 15.
18.
Oh. 3 times 7 is equal to...
Ang sagot ko kasi sa numbers
18.
18, 19, 20, 21.
Oh, 3 times 8 is equal to...
24.
3 times 9.
27.
3 times 10.
30.
Okay.